Thank you very much. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Excellencies, distinguished delegates, esteemed guests, ladies and gentlemen, a very good afternoon. It is a profound honor to be addressing this August House on the pivotal issue of SCO Digital Campus Partner Dialogue. The very title of our gathering, Coursing Towards Trusted Technologies, is not merely a phrase but a mission, one that speaks to the core of our aspirations for the future, that not only technologically is advanced, but also secure, ethical, and inclusive. As Excellency President Putin mentioned earlier, in June at the International Economic Forum, it is essential that the benefits of these technological breakthroughs are shared broadly, transforming societies, reducing poverty, improving quality of life, and improving equal opportunities for every individual to acquire the knowledge needed to fulfill their potential. The SCO Digital Campus provides us with the right direction, and Pakistan's digital nation Pakistan vision, our Prime Minister's, Honorable Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif's National Digital Vision, and supported by a whole-of-government approach from the Special Investment Facilitation Councils, we want to assure you that we demonstrate our unwavering commitment to this journey. I would like to thank you all for being here and for hosting us today in Moscow. Thank you.
Very good afternoon to all distinguished guests. Ni hao and Dobre Jin, уважаемый господин Валентин, уважаемый господин Вадим, уважаемый господин Denisov и господин Шойтов, вас всех от имени секретаря ШОС приветствую. Дамы и господа, позволите прежде всего от имени секретариата Шанхайской организации сотрудничества выразить признательность на организацию сегодняшней панельной сессии, посвященной вопросам сотрудничества ШОС в сфере цифровых технологий. Уверен, что данное мероприятие в рамках российского представительства в Совете глав правительства государств-членов ШОС будет способствовать углублению понимания данной тематики. Ориентирована на благо человечества. Уважаемые коллеги и глав делегации, в современном мире технология искусственного интеллекта быстро развивается, выступая мощным катализатором очередного этапа научно-технической революции и цифровой трансформации. Это оказывает серьезное влияние на социально-экономическое развитие и будущее направление эволюции человеческой цивилизации. ШОС не должна и не может находиться в стране.
А сейчас немножко возвращаемся к нашим зарубежным партнерам. Джавад Рахман. Да? Джавад, вы очень давно уже в России занимаетесь взаимодействием с российским бизнесом, знаете очень хорошо и менталитет, и способ организации этого бизнеса. А только что были в Шанхае и присутствовали лично на встрече лидеров Шанхайской организации сотрудничества. Как вы расцениваете возможность уменьшения рисков, использования совместных разработок, предотвращения атак, сближения безопасности? Как организовать так когерентно процесс создания новых технологий в разных странах, обеспечивая безопасность, и в то же время сохраняя суверенитет этих стран? Вот ваш опыт взаимодействия с российскими компаниями позволяет вам, наверное, делать вывод о том, как минимизировать риски и как найти новые подходы. Пожалуйста.
Thank you very much, Mr. Valentin Makarov, respected Minister Shuja Fatma, distinguished panelists, delegates, and ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon, Dobre Jin. It is a great honor for me to speak at this distinguished platform. My name is Jawad Rahman, and I serve as the president of the Business Association Corporation with Pakistan, based in Moscow. Our association was established with a clear mission to promote long-term partnership between the business communities of Russia and Pakistan, and to support initiatives that foster mutual development, social impact, and innovation. Mr. Valentin, today we gather at a pivot moment when digital transformation is reshaping our economies, creating extraordinary opportunities, but also exposing us to new and complex risks. The digital environment is broadless, fast-moving, and deeply interconnected. Yes, the risk it carries from cyber security threats to unequal access do not affect us equally. For the SCO to respond effectively, we need a shared but flexible approach to digital risk management. Here I would like to highlight 3 elements, Mr. Khan. Harmonized risk frameworks. The SEO should develop a baseline digital risk management framework, a shared language of standard covering cybersecurity, data protection, and AI ethics. Secondly, developing economies must not remain passive consumer of digital technology. SEO Corporation should encourage joint ventures, technological transfer programs, and co-development platforms. Pakistan's growing IT service sector, for example, can contribute skilled human capital to SEO projects, while other member states provide infrastructure and R&D, creating mutual benefit and shared ownerships. Here I propose the establishment of an SEO-wide platform for digital risk monitoring and knowledge exchange. This observatory would allow members states to share real-time insights on threats, challenges, and practical response, ensuring that smaller economies have equal access to critical information. By adopting these measures, risk management in SEO will not only be about protecting, it will also be about empowerment, giving every member state the confidence to participate fully in the digital economy. The second part of the question, Mr. Valentin, concerns sovereignty, an essential and sometimes sensitive theme in digital cooperation. As for me, sovereignty is not an isolation, it is empowerment. Real sovereignty means that country retains control over their priorities and assets, but still benefit from trusted and compatible system across borders. 3 models could guide us. First one, sovereignty through mutual recognition, Mr. Khan. SEO states can agree on mutual recognition framework where national standards are respected but aligned. This ensures smooth digital trade and cooperation without compromising domestic legal systems. Secondly, multi-layered sovereignty model. And thirdly, trusted technological ecosystems. This is very important. By investing in an open source solution, regional innovation hubs, and joint certification centers, SEO countries can ensure the technologies are secure and mutually trusted. Pakistan sees strong opportunities in fintech, e-governance, and cybersecurity, which can be scaled through SEO partnership to create regional value. Mr. Valentine, here I would like to highlight about this historical agreement which we have signed, RUSOFT, with Pakistan, marking a historical milestone in our digital partnership. This agreement opens doors for joint ventures, tech exchange, IT education, and the development of smart scale solution for both markets. I am confident that through dialogue, innovation, and joint action, SEO can become a model of balanced digital growth, reliance, and truth. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Mr. Rahman. Yes, it was really interesting explosion. Now, I strongly believe that based on your knowledge of Russian culture, по-русски лучше, ваше знание российского рынка, психология российская позволит, безусловно, найти пути для того, чтобы мы это сотрудничество реализовали. В частности, вот Евгений Юрьевич говорил, Игорь говорил о том, что мы можем север-юг, проект север-юг, конечно, объединить всю Азию с севера до самого юга, обеспечить логистику грузов, конечно, чрезвычайно важная вещь. Уверен, сотрудничество наше будет продолжаться. А сейчас мы...